What's going on, family? So, come to find out, a piece in my torque converter had broke, and that what was making the noise. My four-wheel drive was still working, but there's some piece in there broke off in there, so that's what was making that rattling noise that I was hearing. But luckily, the torque converter for this one actually ranged different prices. I think they had like 5 different ones that came in this truck, and I was just so happy that the one that I ended up getting was actually wasn't that bad. I didn't spend that much. I got a good used one with low miles on it, so it was good with me. So leaving now on my bike, man. About to ride off. Try to enjoy the morning. Oh man, before I leave, I need to get my water. I think I left it on the ground over here. But I'm out networking with my people, man, early this morning. Enjoying life, man. Taking one day at a time. Messing with some essential workers. HogOn.